people, welcome to Shifting Gears, and with me today I have the Tata Punch micro SUV. The Tata Punch is a two-wheel drive car. It uses a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, but in this video we are checking out the off-road credentials of this micro SUV. Now some people might think that this is an overkill because this mass market car is not supposed to be an off-roader, but it does have the ability to get you out of a tricky situation. Check out this video, understand the abilities of this Tata Punch, let us know if you think that this car is good enough for your requirements and if this is going to get you closer to nature when the roads are actually completely broken and when other cars from the competition list are not going to do any of this. So as you can notice, I am driving this Tata Punch with the 1.2 litre manual transmission option, and the first obstacle is some rough road incline. Check this out. Keep in mind, this car is doing all of this with a 3-cylinder petrol engine. So all of this was a little incline and decline with this Tata Punch. The next obstacle is articulation. Now some people might think that for a two-wheel drive mass market car, this is a little too much and maybe the Punch might be unable to get through this obstacle. So let's check it out. Quite impressive, isn't it? The next obstacle is water wading. Water wading with this Tata Punch two-wheel drive micro SUV. The water wading ability of this Punch is 370 millimeters, which is superior to any other car in the B segment. So let's try it out. And even through slush, it is cakewalk for this Tata Punch. The next obstacle is side slopes, lateral inclines. So let's try it. Watch me, I'm not fighting the car at all. Very easily done and very easily out of this obstacle as well. The next obstacle is rock crawling, a boulder field. Feathering the accelerator pedal, slipping the clutch, and super easy, no problem at all. So this Tata Punch with this 1.2 liter 3-cylinder manual is quite an off-roader, although it is not supposed to do all of these things, but should there be a need, it will get you out of any such tricky situations. So the next obstacle that we are going to encounter is ice challenge. टाटा पंच के 1.2 लीटर AMT वेरिएंट के साथ आपको ट्रैक्शन प्रो मोड मिल रहा है. Because of this, if your front wheel is stuck, either of the front wheel is stuck, you can then modulate the brake and throttle pedal, and then one of that slipping wheel will get locked and the other wheel, which has traction, will pull you out of that tricky situation. So let's check it out how this 1.2 liter 3-cylinder Tata Punch performs with just two-wheel drive hardware, but thanks to smart electronics. Let's check it out. We have ensured that the front right wheel is now on an ice slab. So we'll try to slip the front wheel a little. So as you can notice on the infotainment, I have received this error message that I need to activate Traction Pro mode. I have selected yes. Now I have to press the accelerator and brake pedal together, and this Tata Punch has gotten me out of that ice challenge, even though one wheel was on an ice slab and only one wheel had traction. Keep in mind, only one wheel had traction. This is a two-wheel drive, mass market, compact, micro SUV, whatever you would like to call it. This doesn't get 4x4 or all-wheel drive. So guys, what do you think? Is this Tata Punch good enough? It is powered by a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine, but it is quite a capable car. It is quite a cute little goat, isn't it? Because it completed all the obstacles that we put it through. So I am thoroughly impressed. इस गाड़ी के लिए हमने काफी सारे वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं, so do check it out. You will get to know everything about the Tata Punch on the Shifting Gears channel. So subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon and stay notified. If you have any other queries about this Tata Punch, ask me. I will try my best to help you out.